gonna do turnaround kick. I'm just gonna do the turnaround kick. Bang! Alright? So kicking leg forward here. When you turn, be sure this leg passing the center line. Then you start the lift other leg kick. Okay? Do not kick too early. If you kick too early, this might be happen. Okay? Make sure wait until your kick your other leg all the way past your center zone. That means you're kicking leg. This back leg passing your kicking leg. Then you start to lift and you kick. It's okay to extra spin after you kick. Alright? Let's go!